So the OnePlus 8 has been flashing on the internet for a long time now. We already have a pretty good idea of what to expect from this upcoming lineup, and it looks like as we are approaching the date when the company will officially announce it, the leaks have become more responsible to entertain us while this long freaking quarantine ends. Today, we have all the necessary coverings starting from the official look to even some information about pricing. The OnePlus 8 has been leaked again through official press renders to reveal a new color variant we have never seen before, and also the renders show the phone from every angle. First up, the renders come courtesy of Roland Quant, and to be exact, these are not just drawings made according to imagination, instead they belong to OnePlus and the company will use these images to market OnePlus 8. It looks like OnePlus 8 will initially be available in 3 different color options, and to be precise they would be called Interstellar Glow, Glacial Green and Onyx Black. The most exciting one out of these 3 is this one, the Interstellar Glow, which to be honest looks like the Aura Glow color option that Samsung introduced with the Note 10. But if you just focus over here, the colors have more contrast to them. I mean, they do look different, but there's also no doubt that Samsung was the one who put it on the table and then OnePlus copied it in their own way. The company is also making move for display quality by offering 1400 nits of brightness with the OnePlus 8 Pro, and for your information, it almost doubles 800 nits that OnePlus 7 Pro is currently able to achieve. The display will also be more color accurate as OnePlus is paying every attention to make it a better deal. With features like motion estimation, HDR10+, as well as 10-bit HDR, OnePlus will surely hit the spot. The firm is also working on Oxygen OS to boost speed and smoothness by some sort of optimization, and finally, haptics will be improved too. Talking about the camera, Ishan Agarwal opened the box of leaks and posted this. We already know about megapixel count, so let's move to the telephoto camera. This time, you would be able to deal with 3 times optical zoom and 30 times digital zoom. Additionally, there's a 5 megapixel color filter, a new night portrait mode, and some new features like 3 HDR video, cinematic effects, and also an improved optical image stabilization as well as electronic image stabilization. That's all about the leaks, and now it's time to talk about official confirmings. OnePlus' CEO Pete Law took to his social media account and talked about the improvements OnePlus 8 phones will come up with. He says the 8 series will have a Snapdragon 865, the latest LPDDR5 RAM, and UFS 3.0 under the hood. All these upgrades promise to deliver increase in CPU and GPU performance, as well as they will assure a higher battery efficiency and also an increase in camera quality with some sort of tunings. All after that, he also says that the pricing won't exceed $1,000 mark for any particular model under this series, which obviously brings good hopes as we are gonna deal with a beast this year. That said, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.